Good day, sir. This is our reporting about identify the IMDG code classification of dangerous cargoes based on their placard and markings. So about the topic, the IMDG code classifies dangerous goods into 9 classes based on hazard type identified by specific placard and labels on packages and containers. This include class 1 explosive with orange, and class 2 is gases, red, green, white, and class 3 is flammable liquid, red, and class 4 is flammable solid, stripe, white, blue, and classes 5 to 9, oxidizer, toxic, radioactive, corrosive, and miscellaneous. So about our topic, we are discussing the 9 classes of dangerous cargoes based on their placard and markings. The IMDG code hazard classes by placard and marking. So class 1, explosive orange background. Marking is bomb exploding symbol. Division 1.1, mass explosive hazard with TNT warheads, and 1.2, projection hazard. This division is cartridge bombs, and 1.3 is fire minor blast hazard, propellants, fireworks. So 1.4 is minor explosion hazard, commercial fireworks ammunition. 1.5 is very insensitive mass explosion. This is blasting agent. So this 1.6 is extremely insensitive, and this is special articles. So ang class 1 is muna mga mubuto nga butang mga artikulo nga pwede magdulot og kusog or dako nga panganib, or kanang magkusya og kanang malawakang pagsabog, sunog o projection, naglalabas ng init, ilaw, tunog at gas. So ang class 1 dangerous goods are explosive that can rapidly detonate or deflagrate, classified into 6 division like I said before. The division based on hazard severity 1.1 to 1.6. Key example include ammunition, fireworks, flares, detonators, blasting agent, gunpowder, igniter, and rockets. They are strictly regulated for producing intense heat, gas, or smoke. That's class 1 dangerous goods.
Class 2 gases. Class 2 includes substances that are in gaseous form and are usually stored under pressure. These gases are categorized into 3 divisions based on their hazard. 1. Flammable gases. Flammable gases are gases that can easily ignite when exposed to heat, spark, or flames. Placard. Red background with a flammable symbol. Example, profane butane. Hazard, fire and explosion risk. Number 2. Non-flammable, non-toxic gases. These gases do not burn and are not poisonous. However, they can still pose risks such as suffocation or increasing fire intensity. Placard, green background with a gas cylinder symbol. Example, oxygen and nitrogen. Hazard is suffocation or support of combustion. 3. Toxic gases. Toxic gases are harmful or deadly when inhaled, even in small amount. Placard, white background with a skull and crossbone symbol. Example, chlorine. Hazard, poisoning and serious health effects. So class 3. Flammable liquid. Flammable liquid are substances that can easily catch fire, especially when exposed to heat or spark. Their vapors also highly flammable. Placard, red background with a flammable symbol. Example, petrol, gasoline, and paint alcohol. Hazard, fire and explosion due to flammable vapors.
Class 4 dangerous goods include flammable solids, spontaneously combustible substances, and materials that emit flammable gases when wet, Common example include matches 4.1, sulfur 4.1, activated carbon 4.2, phosphorus 4.2, calcium carbide 4.3, and alkali metals like sodium or potassium 4.3. Example by divisions. Division 4.1, flammable solids ignite easily via safety matches, sulfur, aluminum powder, activated carbon, nitrocellulose, metal powders, and magnesium, camphor and celluloid, fire lighters, high straw and dry vegetable fibers. Class 5 dangerous goods comprising oxidizing substance and organic periodize. These materials are high risk because they can yield oxygen, causing or intensifying fires or undergo exothermic decomposition. Common examples include hydrogen peroxide, ammonium nitrate fertilizer, potassium permanganate, swimming pool chemicals, and benzoyl peroxide. Oxidizing substance. These substances are not necessarily combustible or own, but they produce oxygen which help other materials burn. Ammonium nitrate fertilizer, hydrogen peroxide, high concentration, potassium permanganate used as a disinfectant, sodium nitrate, pool cleaning chemicals, oxygen generators, lead perchlorate.
Hello sir, this is class 6 dangerous goods, compressed, toxic, venomous, and infectious substance capable of causing serious injury, illness, or death if engaged, inhaled, or contracted by skin. Common examples include lead, arsenic, pesticide, rodent bait, medical waste, biological cultures, and virus like Division 6.1 toxic substances, lead, arsenic, pesticide, and rodent bait, chloroform, phenol, mercury compounds, lead compounds. Division 6.2 infections, substance, pathogens, medical or clinical waste, methods, specimen, blood, urine, viruses, bacteria cultures, genetically modified organisms. Class 7 dangerous goods are radioactive materials that emit inducing radiation requiring special handling due to health risks. Common examples include medical stoves, uranium or smoke detectors, X-ray, machinery, nuclear fuel, and industrial destiny gases. These materials are regulated for transport to ensure. Common example of class 7 Common examples of class 7 radioactive materials, medical, scientific items, except used in cancer treatment or imaging radioactive source for celebration. Incidental, commercial, industrial, destiny gauge level, and radioactive materials used in testing. Conserved goods, smoke detectors, which often contain American 2.1 and some types of radioactive concerns products, raw materials, emergency natural uranium or nitrate, and radioactive waste from nuclear power plants. Equipment, X-ray machines, electrons, electro device, and static.
Hello sir, this is example of class 8 dangerous goods. Acids, sulfuric acid, battery acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, hydrofluoric acid, and oleum. Alkalis, bases, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, potassium hydroxide, caustic potash, and ammonia solutions. Other corrosives, formaldehyde, iodine, bromine, and many cleaning products or drain cleaners bill. Hello sir, this is the example of common class 9 dangerous goods. Example, energy storage and transported goods, lithium-ion batteries and lithium metal batteries, coolants and gases, dry ice, solid carbon dioxide, used for cooling, and chemical oxygen generators. Automotive safety components, airbags, inflators, seatbelt, pretensioners, and airbag modules. Environmental and health hazards, asbestos, PCB containing equipment, and environmentally hazardous substances. Machinery and materials, magnetized materials, which can interfere with aircraft instruments, life-saving appliances containing flares, oxygen, and combustion engines. Elevated temperature material substances shipped at temperatures